I was excited to unbox my Earth and Moon grounding sheets. They're packaged beautifully, wrapped in tissue paper like a gift. Must register for the warranty. It comes with a washing bag to keep the sheet beautiful. When I open up the sheet packet, I find the testing plug to test my outlet. Need to make sure it's grounded, otherwise it won't work. The indicators are on the outlet. Verified my outlet is grounded. Speaking of outlet, here's the plug with the grounding pin. The sheets come with a really nice long grounding wire. This comes in handy later. I make the hard part of changing my sheets look easy. Now I find my grounding plug. I plug one end of the wire into the grounding plug and I plug that into the grounded outlet. The other end snaps onto the sheet. All of this is really obvious and easy, but I pretend like it's hard work so I can do this. These are really crisp and comfortable. Time for a nap. Can you get the lights, please?